Now, there's no denying the fact that Shiba Inu Coin and the entire crypto market faced some extreme volatility yesterday into last night. I mean, you're watching Shiba Inu Coin drop to roughly 1,800 points per coin, Bitcoin down to $37,000. Ethereum was down to $2,700, and it happened in a very quick time frame. Guys, the volatility is picking up, and I want to talk about some of the reasons that I guess, they're pointing to why crypto is so volatile at this moment. You guys probably already know. I'm not just like to let you know right now. You probably already know what the reasons are, but we'll touch on those reasons, and I really want to talk about how the drop in Shiba Inu Coin made you feel. And you're going to be able to determine whether or not you have a long-term mentality and a long-term approach to holding Shiba Inu Coin, or more of a short-term trade and hoping for some kind of a bump so that you can get out. So if all of this sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit gets you guys 5 free stocks. Any $1 crypto trade, $5 in free crypto. And then if you guys want crypto exclusive exchanges, you have those down there as well, each with their own different rewards. So let's talk about this drop, because clearly going from 2,200, 2,100, 2,000, 1,900, 1,800 points per coin in such a short time frame, it's somewhat of a crash. I mean, it really is. To watch cryptocurrency drop 10, 15, 20% in a couple hour period, it's alarming. But crypto is volatile. Guys, you can watch Bitcoin go, drop 30% in a matter of really minutes, but more likely hours. You can watch Shiba Inu Coin soar 200% in a matter of minutes, or yes, decline and drop 30, 40, 50% in a very short time frame. Now, guys, this volatility is inherent. It's natural for cryptocurrency. One, because the overall market cap is still extremely low. At roughly $1.7 trillion for the entire market cap, the entire crypto market. That's really low. Compared to the stock market, compared to the bond market, compared to literally any other commodities out there, the market cap in crypto it's just a drop in the bucket. And anytime Bitcoin is moving, you're going to have Shiba Inu Coin following. Anytime Bitcoin, Ethereum, they come out with some, announcement or something that's going to drive the market, it's going to drive all of the altcoins as well. And that's what we're seeing in Shiba Inu Coin. Now, what's the news that might be, or what's the anticipation of the news that might be driving Shiba Inu Coin down at the moment? Well, everybody's pointing to the Fed meeting that is going to be taking place on Wednesday. I believe it's May 3rd, right? But Wednesday this week, the Federal Reserve will announce its interest rate decision. Now, here's the silver lining, here's the good news versus the bad news, right? Everybody is expecting an extremely hawkish Fed, which means they're going to come in, they're going to be confident that, that they can raise interest rates at a fast pace, potentially 0.5%, that 50 basis point increase, in order to combat inflation. Now, good news is, I can almost guarantee that the market has priced in a 0.5% or a 50 basis point increase in interest rates. So if we do increase it at 50 points, we shouldn't see a decline. Unless, of course, the market is still so scared that it has no idea what it's doing, and people are acting so irrationally that they just continue to sell off even though we meet expectations. If we raise interest rates, if the U.S. Fed raises interest rates at 0.25% or 25 basis points, that could be seen as good news in the fact that, they're not that worried about inflation anymore. They think they've got it under control. They don't need to react so harshly and so on. And then we could see. So I'm looking at a double positive for the stock market and the crypto market. Because Shiba Inu Coin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, they are all reacting negatively to the fact that the Fed could raise interest rates. Well, most likely raise interest rates. But at what percentage they're going to raise interest rates? Why? I mean, you guys have seen it plenty of times in these videos now. The higher the interest rates go, the more likely people are to leave risky assets and these volatile assets like cryptocurrencies and stocks and move over to safer assets where those interest rates are going to be, helping your growth. Bank accounts, bonds, so on. And that's what we're seeing right now is a transition from risk on to risk off. And we've been in this transition for quite some time. I mean, we're talking going all the way back to November now that we've been transitioning from risk on to risk off assets. And it leaves you wondering, when is the madness going to stop? And unfortunately, I do not have the answer. If it's Wednesday when the announcement comes out about interest rates, great. But what we need to see overall in this market is a shift from fear to confidence. Right now, I don't know where we are on the scale of like peak fear, but we are in a very fearful market. And when investors drop that fear and become confident again, crypto is way too low, we need to buy. Stock prices are way too low, we need to buy. When they've got that confidence, not necessarily that the economy is growing and doing great, but the fact that the prices are so low that they can't pass them up, that is when things turn around. And guys, Shiba Inu Coin, the question that is going to remain is, how did you feel about that dip that took place yesterday? If it really stressed you out, I think you have a shorter term mentality and a shorter term focus on what is going on with your crypto investments. Either that, or you could be overexposed. You've got so much invested right now that you are unwilling to lose it and you are unwilling to watch it fluctuate in price. Either one of those things, we should not be stressing about the short-term movement or the volatile movement of our investments. If that's the case, we should adjust something. If it didn't stress you out, maybe you have, just the right amount invested, or your Shiba Inu coin outlook could be a further out, more futuristic outlook, and the price swings that happen intraday, the price swings that happen along the way, they are natural, but your Shiba Inu coin goals are more long-term, and whatever the price target is that you've got in mind, even if it's just hitting some all-time highs, and I do believe that you would have that longer-term mentality and that longer-term focus. Hey, neither one of them is right. People are traders. People are investors. You just have to figure out what works for you and what you're most comfortable with when it comes to buying and selling your Shiba Inu coin. So I want to know what you guys think about that dip that we saw yesterday. Did you buy it? Did it scare you? Just let us know down in the comments below. I mean, why not, guys? If this button right here is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. We will Binance, Gemini, Crypto.com. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.